Welcome to Madrid, day 77 to 79. We arrived here from Valencia. To be honest with you, I did not find Madrid to be that exciting. But it has a great history. It is the Spanish capital, hence here we are. And we are going to stay here for 3 very long days. Madrid is the capital of Spain and is also known as Villa y Corte. It is the biggest city in the country and the third largest in European Union with over 3 million inhabitants. More than 6 million it's in metropolitan area. Madrid is known as the city of the bear and the strawberry tree, or in Spain, Villa del Oso y el Madrono. The nickname comes from the mid-13th century, which according to the legend is a result of a dispute between the council and the clergymen of the city's parishes about the right to certain forests and fields. It was resolved by agreeing that the forests belong to the council and the meadows to the clergymen. To commemorate the agreement, the council added a strawberry tree to the shield of the municipality with a black bear leaning on its trunk. Enough about the history. Madrid does look good in photos, so let's take a look. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you at the final stop, Sevilla.